Hey guys, it's Kerima and welcome back to another cleaning motivation video. In this one, you're going to see how I incorporate my cleaning routine into my work week. So if you guys have some cleaning to do yourself, clean along with me or sit back and enjoy the motivation. So rise and shine. Good morning, guys. I just woke up and got out the bed, opened up all the windows to let the sunlight help wake me up. But let's take a moment for the skincare routine because she's waking up flawless. So I ran in the bathroom and got myself together real quick, and now we are dressed. Thank you, YouTube magic. So now I'm just putting on my belt, as you can see, and deciding between whether I want to wear my loafers or some heels. I never choose the heels, I'm going to tell you now. Sometimes it just looks really cute with the outfit and I see the other girlies doing it, but I just can't be walking around with heels on all day. Plus, the majority of the time I still wear scrubs even though I work in the office. To be honest, the only time I really get dressed is when I have a meeting or a presentation that I need to present. Otherwise, if I'm going to be in my office working all day, I want to be comfortable. I usually wear scrubs and sneakers, but since I'm getting ready with you guys, I figure I put on a nice outfit and look cute. I thought the heels looked really nice with the outfit today, but I just couldn't do it. So now I wanted to show you guys some new jewelry pieces that I received from Ana Luisa. And I also want to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. But everything that I'm wearing right now, the earrings, the necklace, and the bracelet is from Ana Luisa, and I absolutely love it. I don't like to switch up my jewelry a ton, so I was looking for some pieces that would go well with my workwear as well as casual outfits. I kind of like to wear a few pieces of jewelry and that's it, and I really wanted some gold jewelry. So this is what I got. I got a pair of small hoops and some love knot earrings. I got a gold chain and the matching bracelet. And what I love about the bracelet is the little diamond crusted detail. I'll show you that in a minute. But I love the pieces that I received from Ana Luisa. I specifically chose this necklace and bracelet set because I do want to add to my jewelry collection eventually, and I thought those pieces would be perfect for stacking. So if you're interested in checking out Ana Luisa, use my code guiltfreemom20 for 20% off. The link will be in the description box below. Again, the code is guiltfreemom20 and you'll get 20% off. And thank you again to Ana Luisa for the beautiful pieces. So here's the outfit of the day. Now we can head to work. Side note, I know my bedroom is a mess. I did get it clean later. So here's my office at my main site. I don't think I've ever showed you guys my main office, but this is one of the main sites that I work at. I do cover 2 locations and occasionally I work from home. I do have remote days each week. So I work from 3 different offices technically, but this is my actual home site, my main office. So I got a lot of work done on that particular day, but I did use my lunch break to run to Costco. Y'all know how that goes. And now I'm home. I wanted to take you guys to Costco, but time was just flying by at that point. And as you can see, I looked a mess. I was exhausted by that point, but look at my house. So I couldn't even come home and rest. I had to at least take care of this mess in this kitchen. Usually I'd like to come home and change my clothes, get comfortable, and then I can do a little housework. But I do try to listen to my body, and if I already feel tired, I just go, because I know the minute I change my clothes and sit down, it's over. I'm either gonna feel sluggish and not get anything done, or I may even end up falling asleep. So sometimes I just come straight home, especially when there's lots to do. I had a ton of dishes to get through, so I just did that. So it is the next morning. I was actually working from home this day, so I just decided to get up a little bit earlier to finish up some chores. I did spend the rest of the evening yesterday making dinner, spending time with the kids, helping with homework, doing baths, getting kids ready for bed. So I did the dishes, and that was all she wrote. Now I'm going to unload the dishes that I washed last night, finish up whatever we put in the sink from dinner, and get the rest of the kitchen cleaned.
Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone.
So I prefer doing a lot of my cleaning in the morning because that's when I have the most energy. So I utilize my work from home days and the weekends to just get some deep cleaning done and the majority of my cleaning done. Excuse the lighting. It was kind of like an overcast day and the clouds kept moving so you can see the sun going in and out, but wasn't much I could do about that. I am using the Method Granite Cleaner, the Daily Granite Cleaner. I bought the refill because it's just simple. I like it, and it works. So moving on to the appliances, I'm just spraying everything down with some Spick and Span. Actually, that's the Comet antibacterial cleaner. I did spray everything down and let it sit for a minute like the instructions said, just to kill some germs. I don't even use stainless steel cleaner anymore because my stainless steel doesn't streak when I use regular cleaners, and I don't have to buff anything out. So I don't know, it might be a scam, but at this point I just use the cleaner and my appliances look fine with just that. So the last thing I am doing in the kitchen is mopping the floors. This is not really a deep clean. I do need to clean out the inside of my refrigerator and wipe down my cabinets, but again, this is a work from home day, so I wanted to get as much done as possible before I needed to sit down at my computer and get some work done. So I'm just going to finish off by mopping the floor real quick. I still use the same combo, the boiling hot water, a drop of bleach, and a few drops of Fabuloso. If it works, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. That works really well for me on my kitchen and bathroom floors. I just wanted to mention that I do not use that on my wood floors. I don't like to use boiling water on my wood floors because I don't want to strip the sealant. Also got some laundry done off camera. I did most of Kingston's clothes and now I'm doing my workout clothes. I did find these garment bags on Amazon and they're actually really good quality and they have all different types of sizes. My washing machine has an agitator in it, so it can destroy some delicate fabrics. So I got the big garments bags for like sweaters, but I do like to use it for my workout clothes because the material, that stretchy material, can bead and just kind of get worn out. And I work out 4 times a week, so I use them often. Workout clothes aren't that cheap, so I really want to take good care of them. So I bought these garment bags from Amazon. They were like between 10 and 12 bucks, $9. I don't remember, but I will link them below if you're looking for some garment bags, because these are really good quality. Okay, so now I am putting away Kingston's clothes that I washed earlier that morning and got everything folded. I was really proud of myself because I'm really doing good with sometimes I'm doing really good with the laundry. I can get it washed, folded, and put away on the same day some of the times. So I'm proud of myself for that. This is the last thing I'm going to get done because it is approaching the time that I need to sit down and get started with my work day. So I am going to take a little break after this, but I appreciate you guys for watching my videos. You guys know I love you guys to death, and I really appreciate your support. Also, don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. They really have some beautiful quality pieces and they're really affordable. So if you're shopping for some new jewelry, check them out and use my code guiltfreemom20 to get 20% off. Again, the link is in the description box below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.